Need lots of space both in home and outside lot? Here it is: 5-bedroom plus bonus on 1.31 acre lot. Master bedroom, master bath, 2 bedrooms and bath on main level. 2 additional bedrooms, bath, and large bonus room on second level. New carpet on stairs and upstairs bedrooms. Family room with vaulted ceiling and gas log fireplace. Kitchen and dining room have ceramic tile floors. Outside there is a huge deck area, oversized 2-car garage, an extra parking area for a boat or RV. All in the natural setting of a beautiful, private, wooded lot.